In this video, I'll show you on how to send money to a contact in Alipay. Let me show you how. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or IDFish, Alibaba or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce apps or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to send money to contact in Alipay. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay. Next thing you need to do is to click on your message right here. The next thing you need to do is select the contacts. The next thing you need to do is to click on transfer. Next thing you need to do is to enter the amount. The next thing you need to do is to click on transfer. Then enter your payment password. Then I'm going to simply make a screenshot of the payment. Next thing you need to do is to click on done right here. Payment done, successful. It's as simple as that. Next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my WhatsApp and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them. I'm going to open up my WhatsApp right here. Then right here, I'm going to click on here to bring out the screenshots. Click on here and here. Then payment sent. And hit on send. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial about Alipay, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to fund your Alipay account or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier in Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.